Hey, fellow car enthusiasts, ready to unlock the secrets of car buying? Today, we're delving deep into something that could save you loads of trouble and cash. Pre-purchase car inspections. I'm bringing you a decade's automotive wisdom. Let's start with two burning questions. What exactly is a pre-purchase inspection? And why is it an absolute game changer before you seal the deal? Stay tuned for all the answers. All right, let's tackle our first question. Picture this. You're eyeing that dream car, but what's lurking beneath the surface? A pre-purchase car inspection is like a behind-the-scenes tour of your potential ride. It's a top-to-bottom assessment by the pros, revealing any hidden gremlins that could haunt you later. It's your car's version of an X-ray. Now, on to the juicy bit. Why should you care? Well, here's the deal. Looks can be deceiving. That shiny exterior might hide a world of trouble. That's where pre-purchase inspections sweep in like the heroes they are. They uncover issues you might miss: engine quirks, creeping rust, or worn-out parts. Good question, savvy viewers. This inspection leaves no stone unturned. We're talking engine health, brakes, suspension. Even the electronics get the time in the spotlight. They'll even snoop underneath for any leaks or battle scars. Trust me, it's better to know about that leak before it turns your driveway into a swamp. All right, now for the golden nugget, the benefits. A pre-purchase inspection isn't just a formality, it's your money-saving superpower. Finding issues gives you the upper hand in negotiations, or might even steer you away from a potential lemon. And let's not forget the peace of mind, knowing you're driving away with a trustworthy ride. You're probably wondering, how do I score one of these inspections? It's a breeze, thanks to the pros at Car Buyers Broker. They're the wizards who ensure you're not just buying a car, but a peace of mind. Ready to dive in? Check the link below to learn the ropes and book your inspection. So there you have it, the lowdown on pre-purchase inspections, straight from the engine guru's mouth. Don't judge a car by its cover, inspect it. If you found these answers as eye-opening as I did, show some love by hitting that like button. And hey, if you're hungry for more car-savvy content, remember to subscribe and join our community. Until next time, drive safe and drive smart. Ready for more car enlightenment? Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a golden nugget from us. Check out our other videos to stay in the know. See you on the road.